Whether you are preparing a cake, whisking cream or beating eggs, hand mixers always come handy. They perform the job of mixing perfectly and relieve you from all the pain. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric hand mixers that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, DmofwHi 5-speed hand mixer. If quality is your primary concern, you can easily go for this product. This company offers you a 24-month warranty period on its product. The product has high-quality material all over its body. The most important feature, the motor, is complete copper. Copper adds durability and helps in increasing the quality of the mixing. In fact, you get as many as 5 different speed settings in order to perform various tasks with ease. Besides, a 0-speed setting helps you begin mixing smoothly without any mess. The entire things are operated on some easy round buttons. Comes with a heat dissipation system. This feature extends the life of the product while increasing its efficiency a great deal. The design of the handle has been made keeping the ergonomic comfort in mind. Your hand feels at ease when holding this mixer, which helps in your kitchen operations. At number 4, VonShef electric hand mixer. Apart from all the traditional accessories, VonShef goes an extra step to offer you sturdy dough hooks and a balloon whisk. All the accessories have stainless steel, which renders them a long life without any complications. Furthermore, this becomes your best friend in the kitchen with dishwasher adjustments. Special measures have been taken to provide adjustments to make it dishwasher safe. You do not have to spend a good amount of effort trying to wash your ingredients off of it. Finally, the product looks absolutely stunning in its shiny exterior. It is available in 4 stunning shades of red, blue, cream and black to suit your preference. Often the mixer cable restrains you from being able to use the product properly. This product has a 1-meter-long cable in order to allow you complete freedom to move it. At number 3, Cuisinart HM90S handheld mixer. For those who suffer from confidential by complex functions, this product comes with a user manual. The user manual walks you through each function with ease. Moreover, the product comes with all that you may need during your whisking operations. Name it, and Cuisinart is already providing it. Apart from the usual beaters, this product also has a spatula to help you settle all your mixture easily. Also, it has a special chef's whisk to attain that perfect chef finish. A remarkable feature of this product is that it is completely BPA-free. Thus, it is completely safe and suitable for cooking purposes. If you are a beginner and need recipes as much as you need a mixer, you are in luck. This product provides you with an excellent recipe book to help you make culinary advances. At number 2, BLACK+DECKER MX3200B hand mixer. With this mixer, you do not have to buy anything extra. A much necessary storage case also comes with this product, which attaches itself with the mixer after use. Your accessories stay safe and together in one place. Moreover, this mixer takes care so that you can avoid a messy kitchen. The mixer has a gradual slow speed setting. This setting makes the mixer slowly raise the speed to avoid any splattering. Also, loss of ingredients is also negligible this way. To prevent any hassles during work, it comes with a turbo button to attain the maximum speed. You often worry about where to keep your dirty mixer after using it immediately. Therefore, this product has a heel rest which makes it sit upright on any flat surface. The addition of a simple ejection button reduces your hassle with the accessories. With one press, the accessories simply come off with ease. Finally at number 1, SHM01DSBU hand mixer. This product comes in very unique colors like aqua, which is sure to grab your attention at once. Also, the mixer has a flat and slim structure intentionally. The flat surface allows it to be stored inside any drawer easily. Besides, this hand mixer is extremely lightweight. Being only 2 pounds in weight, it is very easy to handle this mixer and use it for a long time without fatigue. Needless to say, carrying it would not be any hassle either. As a matter of fact, It includes 2 beaters and the one-touch eject helps to periodically clean it. A very thoughtful addition has been that of attachment space. The beater can rest inside the mixer itself. This way, it requires the least amount of space as well. Upon buying this product, you also get tons of free recipes to browse and learn from to help in your culinary excellence.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.